Okay guys, I know this is kind of far away, so it's a little bit hard for you to see, but I'm going to talk you through your application problem today. Let me see if I can move it a little bit closer. Okay, and that's as close as we're going to get. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, remember, we're going to read the problem all the way through without stopping before we go back and try to find the most important information. So I'm just going to read it to you. It says, there were 10 bowling pins standing. Finn knocked over some bowling pins and 7 were still standing. How many did he knock over? Use a drawing to show what you did. Write a number sentence with a box to show the mystery or unknown number. Okay, so let's go through and pick out our most important information first. So let's read that first sentence again. There were 10 bowling pins standing. Okay, so the most important information is that number 10. Alrighty? I'm going to circle it. There were 10 bowling pins. That's what we're starting with, okay? Finn knocked over some bowling pins and 7 were still standing. Okay, I'm going to circle the 7 were still standing because it's important to know that they were still standing. Okay, he didn't knock 7 over, he knocked over some and 7 were still standing. How many did he knock over? Okay, I'm going to underline the question. How many did he knock over? That's important information because we're trying to figure out, he went bowling, there were 10 pins, he rolled the ball. We don't know how many he knocked over, but we know that there are 7 that are still standing up, okay? Now, here's what some of you are not doing, so I'm going to circle this whole part right here. Use a drawing to show what you did. Write a number sentence with a box to show the mystery or unknown number. It is so important on these application problems that you are doing each of the steps they ask you to do, okay? They don't want you to just draw a picture. They don't want to just know the answer. They want to see the process. I want to see the process. So yes, if it's written here, you have to do it, okay? Use a drawing to show what you did. Write a number sentence with a box to show the mystery or unknown number. We have to do this. We have to use a drawing. We have to write a number sentence with the box that shows the missing number. So we have a lot to do. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do, there were 10 bowling pins standing. How many circles, magic circles, am I going to draw? I hope you said 10. And I don't know if you've ever been bowling, but they usually have them 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in like a triangle like that. Here's my 10 bowling pins, okay? So again, there were 10 bowling pins standing. Do I have 10 bowling pins? Yes. Finn knocked over some, but we don't know how many. So I can't cross any off because I don't know how many he knocked over, right? But I do know that 7 of them were still standing. So I am going to circle a group of 7, okay? Because 7 of them were still standing, right? So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 7 bowling pins still standing. Now, before I even try to write down the answer, I'm going to write my number sentence because remember, that is part of what they want us to do. Write a number sentence with a box that shows the mystery or unknown number, right? So remember, a number sentence looks like this. Something plus something equals, right? We know that there were 10 altogether. we know that 7 are still standing. What we're trying to figure out is how many he knocked over. Right? Okay, so here's my bowling pins. I circled a group of 7. How many are not in that circle? 1, 2, 3. So I can say, is that how many he knocked over? It sure is. So I'm going to write the 3 for our missing part, okay? 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, so you're going to try this on your own. So I'm going to have you go back into Seesaw. This is going to be the problem. I need to see the steps, okay? I need to see your drawing, I need to see your thinking, and I need to see the number sentence with the missing addend, okay? Alrighty. Good luck and thanks for watching.